Okay, now we are going to check your first essay is about.
Um,
It's about. Wait.
Traditional house, celebrity and wealth, good and bad news, and then
Okay, good connections in the work, right? Good connections in the
mhm.
office. Okay. Okay. So good connections in the office, in the workplace is not important. Okay. Primary objective of every person is to work, right? Agree or disagree, yes. Okay. Interpersonal relationships, right? Both in the yes, both in both are both would not come after this. See, both would come before are
Waiter.
or vital in both. Sorry, or it would come after both in both. First, okay, in this context, a
Okay.
stratum of people, okay, argue that the primary objective of workers is to focus on work. They should be on good terms with their co-workers. Okay, that is not important. Okay, however, I opine. Okay, nice. Workplace associations are beneficial in terms of enhanced synergy between various teams and their members. Members of the teams, no,
Okay. Okay.
various teams and their members. Okay. Some executives point out that
Co-workers.
fundamental responsibility is to focus on finishing assigned tasks. Okay. Socializing, forming good relations with peers often reduces productivity, quality of work as the net time spent on projects. Yes, that's going to reduce. However, it is tough for any. Hmm. Behavioral are basically those who do a lot of physical work.
Yeah, but I wrote here employees, but I just wanted
Worker
to
you can write, okay,
worker
or you can write professionally. Okay.
professional. Okay, that's
That
a better word.
work throughout the office hours and see any means one, right? So why the pronoun is they?
So he or she would require
So that is why if you write,
professionals.
then it would be easier for you, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they would require few minutes of breaks in between. This would okay permit them to interact with their peers, which would aid in thereby improving performance at work. Okay, so a study based in the journal. Okay, behavioral science in 2018 indicated that nurses' performance okay increased when the quality of work relationship between managers and staff nurses improved in Vietnam. Okay. Apart from this, good work relations offer improved teamwork. Yes, it's employees are very on speaking terms and they have to work together on a project. It would take some time for them to break the ice and work together. Okay. Hmm. Two would not come here. Team members who maintain good relations are ready to work together for the betterment of the project. Any project? No, which project is this?
Mm-hmm. The, me-
Moreover, when yes, employees are connected to a company through these bonds, they won't seek employment in other firms, right? As friendships take time to fade in. Which new office? A new office, no? This might improve higher retention rate, improve the employee retention rate in the corporate sector, right?
in the corporate set.
In the corporate sphere, or you can say in the corporate sector. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate that although workplace relationships might affect productivity, I think that hmm, these relationships have a positive. So we have already written relationships, no, these connections have a positive impact on teamwork, collaboration, and performance.
Mhm.
As a conclusion, okay. Okay, so now let us take the writing a notch higher. Writing, every time writing as a conclusion is also not necessary. You can sometimes write that in the end I would like to reiterate that. Okay. That
Mhm.
way also you can write. Apart from this is okay.
In the end, I would try to reiterate
Yeah. Or
or to conclude.
okay, let us keep it conclusion. Okay, as a conclusion, I would like to reiterate that. Okay. Okay, fine. So this one is much better than the one you had written
Mhm.
before this, right? It's
Okay.
let's say you are writing again, no? This is the second time.
Mm.
Okay, nice. This is good. Now we are going to check the next one. New houses and houses, previous houses, new houses. Huh?
Traditional versus the modern construction styles. Like,
Okay. Just a second. Huh? Just a second.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So there is one section of society that which says that new houses should be constructed in the same way as previous houses of an area. Others disagree and they say authority should give permission to construct houses to people in the way that they want, right? So discuss both views. Okay. So this is a question discussing both views. With the dawn of the 21st century, okay. Humans have achieved gigantic, what is this?
feet.
Feet? Feet?
Yeah, it like achievement. Like if we,
What is
oh,
feet?
this is the fetus giant leap step. No.
No, but feats are achievements. But that is FEATS.
Uh-huh.
FEET.
Oh, give me a
FEET.
sec. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah, sure. You have written FEET.
Hello. Okay.
You had written FEET.
Gigantic feet. Feet is not the spelling.
You had written FEET.
I can't hear what happened.
And
One second.
there is not only one feat, no, there are many feats. So they have achieved, humans have achieved gigantic feats, right? Okay. So this feats achievements, that is FEAT in engineering. Engineering and
Rahul, one second. My earphones disconnected.
you can say in engineering, see, because and we would have to use and is being used uh, at another part of the sentence too. No? So that is why and does not get repeated. That is why comma engineering, architecture.
Mm.
Okay, okay, wait. In engineering and architecture. Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. So with the dawn of the
I don't know what happened.
21st century, humans have achieved gigantic feats in yes engineering and architecture. Okay. So feats, achievements, advancements, same thing. Okay. Now you can use the
Mhm.
pronoun which instead of these engineering architecture feats, which has okay, which has influenced the construction of houses, apartments, and townships. So because and we have just written, so after townships we can write etc. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So a stratum of society thinks that argues that buildings should be okay by preserving traditional aesthetics. Okay, nice. However, I opine that these properties should be constructed by incorporating on the surface diversity in design, not one design, many designs. We distort the uniformity of landscape in towns and major metropolitan cities. Okay, most walkable cities, Paris, featuring Haussmann apartment buildings. Paris featuring Haussmann at apartment buildings means
The city features these kind of apartments like
okay, okay. Paris, which obey various architectural rules such as height, number of floors, construction materials used, etc. Hmm. See, this sentence is not too big. You can keep them together, right?
built by traditional
Yeah,
preserving.
instead of however, you can
Okay.
say whereas here. Okay,
Whereas,
yeah, it's not a big
okay.
sentence, no, so we can keep it together.
Mhm.
Diversity in designs would distort the uniform. Okay, Paris featuring Haussmann apartment buildings. Hmm. Paris features Paris features Haussmann apartment buildings which obey various architectural rules such as height, etc. And have become, because this is something that is still there, right? Or you can say and have emerged as the symbol of the city's traditional charm. Okay. Services to douse. So not only one fire, you can say fires easily because of
Mhm.
instead of city you can route by towns. Okay, sorry, town, city. Furthermore, this might prevent individuals from designing houses that are environmentally sustainable. But what's so good about if they are making houses which are environmentally sustainable? Isn't that better?
Because like if the construction or the design um, are like more generating waste, like for example, requires a lot of maintenance, then it is slowly impacting the environment.
No,
Is
but
it?
you were saying that this is preventing from.
Ah, it should be the other way. Individuals from designing houses that are environmentally unsustainable.
That is what I'm saying. Environmentally unsustainable. On the other hand, rapid. So see, it says on the U and N are missing, but the whole meaning.
The whole meaning is changed.
Right. On the other hand, rapid development in techniques has yet more efficient and has yet to. Okay. Hmm. Rapid development technology has yet to emergence of more efficient, better construction materials. For example, current techniques allow production of windows that come in different sizes. Just give me one.
Okay.
That come in different sizes and modern apartments take full advantage. Hmm. So and is coming, a comma would not come of this phenomenon or of by presenting large windows which make the interior space. Windows are pure, so the verb would be verb would not have an S. The interior space open and airy. In addition to this contemporary buildings feature, so your rooftops, rainwater harvesting, and bio-waste compost. Rainwater harvesting areas. No, the water would be harvested. No. Rainwater harvest containers to
Techniques.
harvest rainwater. No, no.
Or rainwater harvesting technology or techniques.
You can say rainwater harvesting techniques and bio-waste compost, which were not common in previous century. Previous century. We're going back, so
In the past, maybe previous decade.
you can say previous. Okay, if you want to say the previous, but previous century. We can just say in the past because I don't think we are talking about 100 years ago. You want to say?
Yeah.
Okay. And the past is much better. I mean, going that.
Yeah.
Apart from this, the shelters is not required. These things, uh, these these amenities have become a necessity in this era to tackle and reduce carbon footprints. Okay. Hence, authorities should support people with freedom so that they tend to indulge in. They tend to utilize latest trends and designs. No, they have to use these trends and designs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To fulfill their purpose. In conclusion, when you said in you also said, I would like to add that although constructing homes in unvarying style, okay, by enable uniformity, I believe that such establishments should be made by adopting advanced technologies for a sustainable environment.
Like because when you use these amenities like solar waterproofing, rooftops, rainwater harvesting techniques, and these kind of amenities to the modern house construction like using these amenities in this new modern style constructions, which are contributing towards a sustainable environment for the future, right?
Is for maintaining basically sustainable growth, you can say, or you can say believe that such maintain sustainable growth. That is okay. Sustainable growth anyway means that you are taking care of the environment too, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you are constructing new stories, new homes. Then you are taking care of the environment, constructing homes in an unvarying. What is unvarying?
It's uniformity, uniform.
Uniformity. So you are saying here, no?
Yeah, that like the uniform style.
Okay, but unvarying.
Like it looks similar. Like
Fine, but unvarying is a word.
yeah, I checked that.
Okay, constant, uniform. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, better. Okay, the next one is
bad and good news.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Just a second. Okay. Next one is our celebrities and okay, famous celebrities and their weight, right? So these guys are known for their money rather than their achievements. Okay. Another agree disagree. Yes, sir. Okay, so they are more famous. It is true that some celebrities are known for their glamorous rather than the work they do. That this can negatively impact, okay, youngsters. I think that there are other famous people who humans, no.
Yeah. Who can act as a person?
The
Yeah.
writing, the editing becomes very important on the surface. Several individuals achieve fame and without hard work or really working for it. This is because this is because hmm, this okay. They might have inherited money from their parents. Reasons married a famous or wealthy person or appeared in gossip magazines and all reality TV shows. Okay, one such instance is your Kim Kardashian, famous American media personality who is famous for her TV programs, which programs are more than one. So showcase a mansion, party, shopper lifestyle apart from and instead of her acting skills, okay. This send a wrong message to teenagers. Success can be easily achieved without doing any hard work.
Hard work is one word, right?
Yeah, hard work is hard.
Can you delete that space?
No, it's okay. There are some
It's okay.
celebrities whose accomplishments speak for themselves and make them excellent role models for the younger generation. Actors, musicians, sports personalities have become famous idols because they have worked hard to improve their skills apart from abilities. They demonstrate great effort, determination, and ambition, which is required for someone who wants to be truly successful in. Someone is singular who is okay, who can be used with anyone, but someone is singular. No, so there, no,
Required for
those
those.
who want to be truly successful in their chosen domain. Okay. Yes, Jackie Chan, martial artist. So now who is not required because the noun is just coming, became world famous through years of practice, hard work, and a strong will. Yes, and inspire Say children develop their talent through perseverance and determination. Okay. Okay, nice. This one is pretty good. Hmm. Here, I think we should make a change and say the reason for such a scenario is because, or you can say that such a scenario might occur. Okay.
Mhm.
Such a scenario. However, such a scenario to make it better, okay,
Mhm.
might occur because they might have inherited money from the parents. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is nice. In conclusion, I would reiterate that. Conclusion, I would like to reiterate that. Or not in conclusion, you say as a conclusion, I would reiterate, sorry. Although there are people who enjoy their stardom because of their inherited wealth or yacht, there are some famous personalities that can influence
Personalities who can.
personalities are characters, no?
Mm.
So who
Okay.
can influence generations of people, especially young adults, through their work and ambition. Okay, this one is pretty nice. Okay, nice here. Good. So maintain this pattern everywhere.
Mhm.
Hmm. The next one. Good and bad news. Okay. The majority of news being reported is bad news, such as wars, famines, accidents, and crime. Why do you think that is? Do you think the news? Okay, so the news that should be reported, it should be both good and bad. Okay, in the 21st century, our planet is facing enormous problems and difficulties. As a result, the majority of news reported hmm, okay, are negative ones, such as a conflict between various countries, famine. It's not one famine, no, many famines are occurring.
Famines.
Natural calamities, the spread of diseases, especially the coronavirus pandemic, because this is a specific pandemic. Okay? So the coronavirus pandemic in recent times, I find that there should be striking lines between good and bad broadcast, as people would develop a sense of positivity towards AI when they are encountered with the former. Why encountered?
I mean, when they read or when they face that news.
When they watch the former sort of hmm, former sort of news. Generally, content is content. Content is not content.
I did this is the second time I made the same
Content
mistake.
by various news outlets. Content is kinds of content are accurate. Content is accurate and based on actual facts. Provided by exact. One of the consequences of globalization is that there are a greater number of people on this planet. Okay, and this has resulted. You are saying that the population has increased due to globalization.
I mean, uh,
So you are saying that human numbers have increased due to globalization. How?
because migration started and
But how has that increased in the? What has that got to do with the number of human beings on Earth? Migration.
as we
Migration.
yeah, migration, and many countries open, and then people travel,
No,
and
that is a different thing. So crime rate has increased in the major cities due to that. No?
Mhm.
But how has that increased the number of human beings on Earth? How has the number increased due to this globalization? How is that making? I mean, how is that making sense?
Hmm.
Is that large number of people are immigrating, no? Or you can say are migrating to major metropolitan cities. This has resulted in a higher crime rate, pollution, accidents, and scarcity of natural resources in those areas. This is basically more in your cities. Therefore, the responsibility of the media is to report such issues occurring around the world and create awareness among the public. Hmm. Now we can use immigrating because if people are going abroad also. For instance, in 2019, flooding caused by monsoon rain in area was covered by several media organizations across India. This had a good role in making several communities to relocate to safe places and assisting the legislative bodies to provide basic needs such as food and shelter to the people. Okay. Hence, it is necessary to inform the public through announcements, through various announcements.
Through
There's not one announcement about dangerous situations so that individuals might take adequate measures. However, good news can mitigate the psychological toll created by negative broadcast. Okay, very nice. For example, researchers at the University of Southampton in the United Kingdom have found
yeah,
bad stories. This is one story, it would have a determiner, no? Okay. Anxiety, okay, and bad mood. Or you can say a negative story because bad mood and affect
and depression maybe.
depression is much better instead of saying bad mood. Depression, however, is not required here. Uplifting news, what is uplifting news?
Uh,
Here you can say whereas positive news, no, can motivate readers. Okay, positive news motivated readers. Okay, motivated readers to create a whereas so here you can write good news. Additionally, issues such as climate change, okay, warming are constantly reported apart from. See, in this you have tried to bring too many things together. That is why this sentence is
it,
not right.
so what I wanted to say there was climate change and global warming are constantly reported,
Mhm.
but various governments and leaders, they come across like across the globe, they come together and fight for that cause. So it's a bad news related to climate change and global warming, but there are various bodies, they take measures to fight for it. That is something
Reported
that's
and due to this reason, various governments so again bringing leaders not necessary. No, Her fighting, uh, working together, you can say, or you can say are collaborating to fight natural calamities. Right? That's straightforward, you can say. Okay. So these are bad news, right? And so you are saying that, but because these are reported, so that it is creating a positive impact. Hmm. So yes, so we have to maintain good balance between good and bad your broadcast. Right? Hmm. In conclusion, I would like to say that no, issues happen. This must be reported so that the public, the common public, should be aware of them. Various issues.
Mhm.
You can finish it here and start with a new one. However, in my view, there should be a balance between both positive and negative reports,
Reports.
positive and negative reporting. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Various issues various issues happening in the world or various issues occurring across the world. Right. To make it better, various issues occurring across the world. And these, it's not this, these. Okay.
Mhm.
These must be,
These and those.
yeah, so that the public should be aware of them. However, in my view, there should be a balance between both positive. Writing both is not required here. Just write positive and negative reporting. Okay, fine. But in the end, this became a bit odd, no?
Mhm.
Don't write it.
That's because there were like in that sentence there were like few ands like climate change and global warming, various governments and leaders. So constantly reported, and so I thought like how to change this and.
Okay. As a conclusion. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you have any more writing topics?
No, I don't have.
Oh, every writing topic is done.
Yes.
So now I should stop the recording or you want?
Up to you. I am okay with